Yeah, hey, Dada. First off, life is hard, gotta wait, comes with some curveballs. Just hit past it to broke it in the foreign swerve off. Ain't been the same since my cuz got murked dog. And no, I ain't sorry, meant to.
Alright, y'all. Let me see if I can get this joint right the first shot. I like it like this. Sure, I kind of want y'all closer. Good like that. Alright, y'all, gang. How y'all doing? You know, ain't gonna talk about this yet. Wait on. How y'all doing? Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. We're back at it again with another, say, vlog type and everything. I like doing vlog types, honestly. I thought it was gonna be awkward and everything, but actually it was cool. And I was in it, but as you can see right here, this bike not gonna be the same bike y'all got. If you watch my last video, which is going to be on my channel, I don't know how to do the link here, link there. I don't know how to do that yet, but if you watch my last video, y'all understand why. If y'all thought I was done riding, no, nowhere near close, and don't want to. Yeah, I'm not done riding. Cause I know some people clicked off the video a little early and text me and stuff like that. Are you done riding? I'm like, no, nowhere near close. But I'm definitely not done. As you can see, I got something right here that y'all probably don't even know. People who follow me on Instagram, they already knew. I got this bike at least a month ago. Yeah, I got this bike at least a month ago. And it was, I'll explain the whole story probably on a vlog. Well, I already did my first ride video, and that was like 2 days ago. I already did that. But I wanted to upload this before I posted that. But anyways, follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and everything. But here's a new whip, call it, new ride, new baby. I just want to say I'm blessed to get this thing. Just waking up every day, working hard, and doing all this stuff. But this bike, I'm telling you right now, it's practically new. Like, I mean, basically off the showroom floor. Like, that's what I call it. But I don't really like to mess with dealerships, stuff like that, like tax and stuff like that. Y'all can say, I mean, I did pay a little pretty penny for this, but when I calculate the math and everything, I'm good. I ain't gonna be struggling with this thing. It's gonna be just like with my last bike. Ain't gonna be struggling, but alright, so I already see this bike. Thanks. Let me. Sorry for that edit out, but I already see this bike. Bike is a dream right here. Not really a dream, but I know this is gonna be a forever bike. Y'all gonna see why. Here y'all go. Right here. Y'all see that? Oh my god, she's looking mean like a bat. So, y'all clean all the details. Let me sit back down and get in my chair. There she goes. I have a 2009 XXX 750. Put it this way, I love the 2009s or the 08s. Well, really the 2006 to 2007 headlights, and I love the 08s to 2010s headlights. They're mean. The other ones, the newer models, I don't like the how the headlight is. It's like a little like bubble. Like, not saying I'm not a XXX fan. I love XXXs, but I just don't like how the headlight. This is like the best looking model XXX they ever made, except I'll say like the 18s, 1Ks and stuff like that. But this bike right here is clean. I got it from a guy off of Facebook Marketplace. Down guy, he was military and all that, but the bike had, when he listed it at 5,000 miles and everything, when I went there, it had 5,300. Like, I get it's only 300 off, but who cares? But yes, this is practically a brand new bike, or it's a brand new bike. Let me get to the backstory of everything. So he bought a brand new in 2009 when he was in Iraq for the military. So he said he had his sister pick the bike up. Let me get closer. Y'all can see the headlight a lot more better. Yeah, so He picked the bike up. No, he called his sister to pick the bike up for him, put on the trailer, and had it waiting in the garage for him. So as soon as he got back, he said like June. It was all June. He had time to ride it, so he rode it at least for about a month. And he said halfway through that month, he signed up for the fire academy, I think. And they called him, like, I think 2 weeks later. Said, hey, we're looking for you to, are you ready to start now? And he said, yeah. So going through school, the fire department and everything, and working fire, you barely have time to ride, honestly. So literally this bike was sitting, well maintained, by the way. Pristine maintained. But this bike basically was sitting for like, not really sitting, but like he'll ride it here and there, like every Saturday, Sunday, or every time you get off on a good day. But we're Eastern Coast, you only have so many Saturdays in the summer. You know, once it gets to wintertime, it's rare you have the days. I mean, if you're a diehard rider, like you're gonna ride in winter. I mean, I'll probably pull out sometimes, but not all the time. But anyways, yeah. So signed up for Fire Academy, got into that. You know, a couple of years later, he signed up to be an electrician. Did that too, so he barely had time for himself to ride and everything. So that's basically what kind of happened. So he had the bike forever, barely sat, still has the same tires he got on the bike since he bought the bike. So that shit was there. He barely rolled. He said every time he filled the tank up, he put he put fuel stabilizer in it because he knew he barely rode, so he didn't want all that stuff to get bad. I had to drive 2 hours to get it once again. What was it? Woodstown, New Jersey? No, Washington, New Jersey. That's where I had to drive. Drive wasn't bad. Me and my dad went up there, rented a U-Haul, rented my friend's, not rented, but borrowed my friend's ramp, and I bought some tie downs and everything. But yeah, so 2 hours there. The drive wasn't bad. It was good. But when I got there, you know, took the bike out with pristine, brand new, clean, freshly washed and everything. When he went to go start it up, it kind of struggled a little bit. I'm like, okay, that's weird. I mean, I guess he hadn't started the bike in a while, like 2 weeks, a week, everything. And the idle was rough. So I said, you know what? The ECU probably reset. So we just let it keep on idling. So it was still going bad. Not idling bad. It was still idling like it was rough idle. It was like $2 grand, $1 grand, 800, $2 grand, 1,500, like that bad of a idle. So I'm like, okay. But me back in my head, I was like, this is a project bike. So honestly, from the looks of it, from looking at the engine, you know, didn't look like nothing bad was wrong with it. From even, I know it was out of that, but from even like hearing the engine, like it was good. Like it was pristine. So I'm like, alright. So now it's like you gotta take it or leave it. But decided to ask my dad. Like my dad don't really know about bikes, so he was like, I don't know. It's up to you. So I was like, alright. Try to knock him down on the price. Firm. Like, he didn't want to go anything blow up. But I get that. This bike basically brand new off shoulder for. So thought about it. Took it for another spin. And I'm like, project bike. And I already was guessing it probably needed spark plugs and K-in there. I was planning to do all that anyway. So I was like, alright, that's when I'm gonna get it. I'm like, alright, it's gonna be sitting for a whole winter. You know, it's gonna be a product bike. I'm gonna be working on it all winter, buying stuff for it all winter. Stay tuned for that build series, by the way. But buying stuff for that all winter. So I went for it. You know, got it. Drove it back home. Well, before all that, he got what? He barely got any mods for it. The only thing he got was this seat right here, a comfortable seat or a high cushion seat. Which I've mostly seen a lot of K9s have the seat. So just comfy seat came with it. Fender eliminator kit he got with it, and he also has a light kit on it. Y'all gonna see that. I'm probably gonna put a video right here when I first got it. Y'all can probably see here, or yeah, y'all can hear the idle kind of run a little bit weird in that video. It came with a rear seat, but you can see it still has stock levers. You know, you got a light kit for it, and also he has halogen lights for it, so that's bright. You change that up, y'all can see. You change that up. I might keep the lights, but the whole thing, change that up. Also, yeah, any other stuff? Not really it. I did put my RAM mount on it for my old bike, so y'all see that. And also he got a blue, what do you call it? Visor? Is that a visor? I don't know, but he got something blue. Well, he got this blue. Zero gravity windscreen. Yeah, he got a blue zero gravity windscreen. The maintenance, he said he got oil change, brake fluid flush through, stuff like that, basic stuff that you know you do. Back to the bringing it home. So like a couple days later, I was like, I need to go to the DMV and get, you know, tags on the bike. So that's what I did. Took it to the DMV. Like the first red light I hit, the idle was perfect. I'm like, oh, idle got even better. I guess it needed to get tuned, you know. So I'm riding it. Got the DMV, you know. I failed because I had to fit an eliminator kit. Delaware is so strict on that, but I failed that. So once I got the temp tag and everything, I was like, alright, I'm going back home. No, I was like, alright, let me take it for a spin real quick to actually test it out. That was without the vlog too. It was like the first day on the bike. But I barely rode it that day. But that's what I did. And I was on 13, I'm flying. Like I was flying. Then I went to like a stop. I go off the side, go to this back road. And I clicked all the way down. Like I went from like 6 all the way down to 1st. Just to, you know, run through the gears again to make sure. And it stalled on me. I'm like, what the heck is going on? So what I just did was naturally, I was already still rolling. I just popped the clutch and started right back up. And as throughout my day, it got worse. And when I went to, it got worse to the point where like when I went to go try to like pull off, it would like stutter, like jump, then go. So I'll say like 4 grand or lower, it'll feel like a misfire. But it had no engine light. I repeat, no engine light. None at all. So I'm like, what the heck, no engine light and everything. It feels like a misfire, but like, alright, I ain't going to stress on it. So I was thinking on my way back home, I'm like, let me go buy a shop because I already spent a lot of money. Well, not a lot, a good fair amount of money on this bike. So I didn't want to spend too much more money trying to fix the problem. Because I just take it to somebody and they can go direct and they can fix it and everything. So took it to Apex Auto, shout out to them, your real ones. They had to back up in I guess like 5 days, but actually, yeah, 5 days. So it comes down to it, I guess the shop he took it to get service, or like the dealer, the plugs were fouling out on it. So basically he was saying you had 1 prong plugs, which they don't burn a lot of, like all of the fuel, and also bring back, that also explains the situation. When I was riding it, or when I had at a stoplight, I would smell unburned gas too, or unburned fuel. So I was like, that could be it. Once he told me, yeah, the plugs was being fouled out and everything, I was like, alright, bet, that's good. Like I don't, nothing big, nothing major. Change the plugs. He got dual prong plugs, so it burns a lot more gas, and I guess the sparks better. And after that, this bike been good. You'll see in the first ride video I have coming out soon. Yeah, so let me take off the camera and do all this. Right back. I'm about to put you all in this position back there so y'all can see the headlights turn on, because they do have to warm up because they're halogen, but they shouldn't take long. You gotta let them warm up. Yeah, because they blink, they flash, but once you let them warm up, they get bright. And this thing looks, oh my goodness. There you go. Warm up a little bit more, but that's everything. So I'm just going to take y'all off. Do y'all want like a, no, I'm going to do it. Cause I got to get better at it. I'm just focus first. I'm going to do it. So y'all going to see a montage and everything. Cause I got to get better at it and everything. But here y'all go. This thing is, like, Gets bright. Look at that. That view right there, like how you see the. Oh my goodness. But here she is. And everything. See, that's how you know. It still has stock exhaust on it. Stock levers. And look, I put what? Oh, I put 5 miles, but I bought it at 5,303. So at least put 100 and basically 80 miles already. But you know, this was from my old bike. I don't know if I can show that to y'all, but here she is, 750 gang. Rear fender eliminator kit. Probably is. Stuff like that. And I'm gonna show y'all like the light kit. Let me sit y'all right here. Right here with the button. This light kit. This light kit. And I'm going unscripted by the way, but this light kit is lit. GoPro might turn off because it does 30 minutes, then it turns right off. Barely can see it, but at dark, like I said, I'm gonna post that video. You're gonna be able to see it and everything. The light kit, like on, like between there, y'all can see. It has it like right there. Yeah. So let me start the bike up for y'all. Yeah. So it might struggle to start up a little bit because I haven't started it since yesterday. It is cold, so. And also too, I had the lights on for a while, so I'll probably drain the battery a little bit. There she is. 5,000. I still can't believe that. I really still can't believe that, but I'm hyped. I really got this. Oh my god. Focus. Yes. Alright, y'all. So there y'all guys go. That's my new bike. I am doing this video kind of unscripted, so y'all gotta bear with me. And this is my second. See. This is my second video, so you just saw that. Don't want to be having that, but yeah, there she goes. I'm gonna love this bike. More videos gonna be with this bike too. So like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video and peace out. Wait, I feel like I'm forgetting something.
Yeah. Hey. Dotta. First off, life is hard, gotta wait, comes with some curveballs. Just hit past it to broke it in the foreign swerve off. Ain't been the same since my cuz got murked again. No, I ain't sorry, meant it.
So this is gonna be outro crew. I may not use the montage because I really didn't like the background scenery in this garage and everything. I may use it, may not use it. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't know. But peace out.